TikTok can make people more famous than they deserve, with some TikTok stars thinking they're better than others. But what happens when these TikTokers run into the law, where their actions have very real consequences?
You guys are literally dumb as fuck. Y'all are fucked. I'm suing all y'all.
These are the most satisfying examples of this happening caught on body cam, starting with the most shocking of the bunch. When cops approached a car in July 2021, they came across the side of a TikTok star, Amanda, inside. Upon investigation, it seems she was so drunk that she fell asleep at the wheel while waiting at a red light.
Wake up! Put it in park! Put it in park!
Yeah.
Police department, put the car in park!
Open the door.
Ma'am,
Put the car.
open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Police department, open the door.
The cops spent the next 5 minutes trying to get Amanda to turn off the engine and get out of the car, but she could barely stay conscious. When she finally did, it was obvious that Amanda wasn't just a little drunk that night, but completely hammered.
What's your name?
Amanda?
Amanda, what's going on tonight?
There's a cop car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you crashed into just now.
Me?
Yes. How much have you had to drink tonight? Look at me. Hello. Hello.
Do you know where you're at?
Where are you? Do you know where you're
Yeah,
at?
I'm looking at the cop cars that are...
We can't be sure what Amanda is thinking, but it sure looks like she's been drinking and has no concern about getting caught sleeping in traffic. The cops struggle to get her to answer any questions, and after a few minutes, they just give up and move straight into the sobriety tests. But this is where Amanda's behavior starts to change.
What I want you to do?
I want Mike,
You want to listen to my instructions to take some
yeah,
tests?
I want Mike to take my instructions.
Okay. I want you see my finger?
Yep.
See the tip of my finger. What I want you to do is I want you to keep your head still and track my finger with just your eyes, okay?
How am I supposed to track your finger with just my eyes when my kids' cars are moving over here?
Okay. All right. So
There are
Kids'
reasons.
cars?
okay.
Do you want to face
Like
this way?
Yeah, we'll
kids
face
in
this way.
cars
Okay, let's face
that are moving
flip
for
around.
no
Flip around.
reason.
Flip around. There
Okay.
you go. You ready?
I want Michigan State Police, Mike Davis. I want him here.
Okay. Well, I want you to take my test right now.
Yeah,
okay?
I'm looking at your finger.
Oh, you gotta keep your head
Just
still.
keep your head still.
Okay.
Alright? When have you turn around, put your hands behind your back, you're under arrest for WI right
I'm
now.
under arrest for having a Michigan State trooper coming here.
No, you're an arrest robbery.
You are under arrest for hitting my car and being extremely intoxicated while driving. You don't even know where you're at right now and you're refusing to take no test.
After refusing to finish the sobriety tests and becoming uncooperative, the cops decide to place Amanda under arrest and put her in the back of the car to take her to the station. But her outrageous behavior was just getting started.
What am I doing right now that's illegal that...
I'm sleeping in traffic light. You put up the brake pedal.
Alright, miss, so whenever you take a seat, my
Okay.
vehicle, okay?
Thank you. What time is it?
3 o'clock.
Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning. Fucking newborn baby. Oh my god, she's tired? No shit. She's
And
tired.
intoxicated.
EOP? Yup, piece of shit. God damn, what a dump.
Here, baby.
Here we are, hands tucked behind her back. Baby can't eat. Baby's tired. Oh, baby. We're cops. We are fucking like our dicks are hung so low.
Thank you.
Here we are. Mom of 3 is on the way to the station. Woo! Out here.
Amanda's tantrums continued throughout the entire ride to the police station. You'd think that being a famous TikToker, she'd at least try to be as respectful as possible to avoid damaging her career. However, once they arrive at the station, her rampage gets even worse.
I'm a peace officer. You're under the arrest for operating a vehicle while intoxicated due to the consumption
Okay, I have a
of
question.
alcoholic liquor and controlled
I have a question.
substance. Can I read it first?
No, I have a question because I didn't even get a sobriety test.
I gave them to you, and then you said you weren't going to take them, and then at that point, my hands are tied. And if you don't believe me, I have it all on recording as well. So that's why we wear body cam.
Yeah, we will. We will request
Okay.
that footage.
Okay, so I'm going to read this to you. Will you take my breath test?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Mizzy, she said
No,
yes.
I would like to go to the hospital and get a blood test.
You want a blood draw? Or do you want to... Here's the deal.
No.
If you take this breath test here, you can get out whatever your number is because we have a chart. You refuse, I'm going to take your license, add 6 points to it, and they're going to take your blood. Is that what you want? So are you consenting to a blood draw?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
I don't consent to this.
Well, you don't have to when you're under arrest. So.
Yeah.
And then, you ask my keys are in the car. If you could,
As Amanda refused to take a breathalyzer test, she's been taken to the hospital where a blood sample will be taken to find out just how over the limit she is. But it's no surprise that Amanda is going to make this as difficult as possible to the very end.
You said you wanted to do the blood draw.
I said I want to call my lawyer before I consent to this test.
So do you not want to take this test?
I want to call my lawyer before I consent to this test. I don't understand what you don't understand about such a simple statement.
There's either, like, I already explained it to you. Like, you'll get your phone call if you take the test. You said you wanted to take this test instead of the breath test.
But
are you refusing to take this test?
I'm clearly stating that I want to call my lawyer before I consent to this test.
Are we yelling, or are we going to say yes or no?
Are you going to ask me the same fucking question over and over? I want to call my lawyer before I consent to this test. What don't you understand?
I'm asking if you're
It's a very clear statement. I know that you guys do your, like, around.
Well, there goes your license in 6 minutes.
Okay, there goes my license. For what? You didn't even do a breathalyzer.
Well, I tried to. You said no.
Okay.
You hit my camera.
Blah, 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 blah.
Amanda's outbursts cost her her career as an influencer, and she has since deactivated all of her social media accounts and disappeared. She was charged with DUI and was sentenced to 6 days of community service and 12 months probation. Amanda was caught out pretty badly, but this next influencer just went insane and called the police on himself.
Send the fucking cops. There's a gun to my head. Help, help, get them.
Fousey is no stranger to controversy and has landed himself in hot water several times, leading to multiple bans on Twitch. The Palestinian-American social media star is famous for his subathons, where he continues to live stream with a time limit that extends for every new subscriber he gets. On August 23, 2023, he took things a little too far when he called 911 and told them he was being held hostage and had a gun up to his head, convincing the dispatcher to get the police to his hotel room.
Okay, so the person is not there with you, but they're calling you and making threats.
I'm in a hotel room. Nobody knows my location. He called my hotel room number on his own. You know, if he was on his way right now and he had a gun, I would be dead and you would still be asking me questions. Send the fucking cops.
I have to act.
Send the cops.
So they're able to help you. I'm not gonna argue.
There's a gun to my head right now. There's a gun to my head. Help, ma'am, he left. Ma'am, he left. There's a gun to my head. Help, get them. Help, bye. Ma'am, Intercontinental, what's my room number? Help, tell me. 2027. That's what I have to do to get help?
Fame can do strange things to people, but Fousey's behavior could be due to something else. He was seen earlier that day saying he was off his medication and needed to go to a mental health hospital for an evaluation. This might explain his erratic behavior with the cops once they arrived.
So listen, this guy calls my room right now. I'm chilling. I'm getting my room ready. I have a girl coming over.
Oh, okay.
And you guys don't even seem like you're serious about this. Are you guys gonna do anything?
We're recording. That's what I'm recording.
What are you guys doing? Are you gonna arrest him? Why isn't there cars out looking for him right now? I have his address.
What's his address?
Yo, where's the security? Get my security in here, please. You guys are just standing there doing nothing with your hands out. This is Miami-Dade police.
Yo, what are you talking about?
I'm being serious. My life's in danger and you're sitting here staring at me. Why does nobody work hard in this world? Why am I the only... You're out? You're not gonna protect me? You're on camera, you fuck.
What is it? Hey, chill out and give me a story. Tell me a story.
Dog, I'm live streaming. I'm the most famous guy on the internet right now.
Okay, cool.
A guy calls my mom yesterday and says I'm gonna slit your throat. He called to my mom. No, my mom's throat.
Okay.
He calls my room today. Hi, it's me again. Remember me? I literally told him if I see you, I'm sticking a knife 9 inches in your neck and I'm sliding it down your penis. He gave me his address.
And how does he know where you're staying at?
I don't. He's a stalker.
Okay, and who is this guy?
I don't fucking know.
So how do you want us to look for him if you don't know where he's
I have his address.
What is his address?
I said grab my security 20 minutes ago!
Demeaning, shouting, and generally acting like a giant man-baby isn't going to get you any sway with the police. And on top of that, he's told the officers he threatened someone's life. It's almost as if he expects the police to bend over backwards to help him, but they realized there was something else going on with Fousey.
You guys are dumb as fuck, man. You guys are literally dumb as fuck. Oh, y'all. Hey, record this. Security! Come in here now!
They told me to stay outside. I can't come inside.
Yo, for my protection, come in here!
I can't come inside. They told me
He can't come in?
I cannot.
Y'all are fucked. I'm suing all y'all. My life is in danger and you arrest a Palestinian Muslim who's viral Are y'all dumb or are you stupid? Do you like your job? You're fucked. Hey! Hey, free Fousey! Hashtag free Fousey!
After the live stream ends, the body cam footage shows Fousey continuing to demean the officers, only making it worse for himself. What he doesn't know yet is that he's not under arrest. He's being taken to a medical facility so they can evaluate his mental health, as he could need professional help that these officers can't provide.
I don't know why y'all had to arrest me, dog.
Why is arresting you?
Oh, you're gonna go put medicine needles in me and try to sedate me?
Hospital. They might have any drugs on you?
No.
Weapons?
No.
Nothing that can hurt me?
No. I got a big penis. It could hurt you a lot. I'm gay. 9 inches. Is that on body cam? I'll fuck you so good till you love me. Is that on body cam? Make that go viral. Y'all fucked up tonight. Which one of you fucks wanna touch me? I bet it's you. I bet it's you. You are gonna touch me. Look at that. Don't let your get hard, you fucking bitch. You arrested the wrong dude, dog. I'm worth $77 million. It don't matter. You put arrested on me. You arrested me. You didn't believe me. You walked out of the room. I have it on video. 70,000 people saw it. They're already reporting you, dog. To your fucking officer. Hey, fire this fuck. I'm suing his ass.
Fousey joins a long line of social media influencers who have been arrested, and maybe he's a warning sign himself of how the pressure of fame can affect a person's well-being. His behavior during this incident is far from a good influence, like this next social media star who kicked up a fuss and found herself out of her depth.
Y'all could have really got some really good motherfuckers tonight, but y'all just decided to be
27-year-old Instagram star Isabel had everything going for her. Her mission statement is inspiring, saying she's creatively bringing out the confidence within women of all backgrounds and walks of life. But her attitude during a traffic stop in May 2023 is anything but inspiring. It all started when she tried to drive her car into an intersection that was blocked off for pedestrians to use.
Can you turn the car off for me, please? Thank you. Can you take the keys out for me, please? Because this is a traffic stop and I'm asking you to remove the keys from the vehicle.
How you doing, Isabel? How's it going? Name's Officer Rodriguez, Atlanta Police Department. Okay, I'm from the DUI unit, and I've been called over here to do a DUI investigation. I guess they just want to make sure that you're okay to drive. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Yeah. Have you mind getting out of the car for me? You don't want to get out of the vehicle? Okay.
When she was stopped, the officer noticed that her eyes were red and bloodshot, and this is why they are treating this case as a DUI.
Alright, go ahead and you can stay off the phone for me. Ma'am, you're detained right now. You can stay off the phone for me. Here, you can stay off the phone for me. Alright, go ahead and get off the phone for me. No, you can get off the phone for me. Okay. Alright, you're not going to get off the phone? Alright, do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. You understand that you're detained, right?
can they make sure they get the
phone? Yeah.
I've got your phone. We're getting your
Wait,
purse.
can you
No,
why can't you?
So, right now, obviously.
No, but thank you. Like, just do it.
I've got your phone. I've got your stuff.
I really hope you have some good lawyers. I really hope you do. Because I got some good lawyers.
Threatening to sue the police is a popular trend among social media stars, but if you're driving while drunk and the police can prove it, then you haven't got a leg to stand on. But Isabel hasn't finished yet, and somehow still thinks she's above the law.
Yeah, stop moving around. This is why you're under arrest for resisting. Stop moving around. You're under arrest. Okay? Yeah, you keep moving around. Stop moving around. Stop moving around.
I really hope you're ready.
All right, have a seat.
Thank you.
I mean, I've got the cage. I kind of have to stay here. Yeah.
I'm a mama.
So we're here right now at the DUI Center. Okay? We're going to do some field sobriety exercises if you want to participate, and then a breathalyzer. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, we good?
I got it.
Whoa. 1 second.
Am I good?
Not yet.
No.
Let them.
I'm good.
Yeah. Just stand right
No,
here.
I'm good here.
Okay.
I'm not moving.
Okay. I mean, you did say you were gonna walk inside.
Alright, so I'm going to do field sobriety exercises, alright? For you being no suspicion of driving under the influence. Alright, you want to partake in those exercises?
Wait, no.
You don't want to?
No.
You sure? Okay, because if I don't do them, I have to go off my observations and decide whether I'm going to charge you with DUI or not, okay? No? You don't want to?
No.
If you're halfway. All right, do me a favor, turn around.
In Florida, a DUI can be punishable with a $1,000 fine, up to 6 months in jail, and the possibility of losing your driver's license, and 50 hours of community service, which might explain why she's so determined to avoid taking any kind of test.
You know what I'm so sad about? Like, y'all could have really got some really good motherfuckers tonight, but y'all just decided to do me.
Well, it sounded like the people on scene really didn't have a choice. But, you know, I wasn't there, so I don't know.
Right.
All we know about this case so far is that Isabel has been charged with driving under the influence, resisting an officer without violence, and she's currently out on a bond of $1,000.